This video I'm going to show you how you can pin your post on Instagram. Now if you want your post to appear on top of the other, then all you need to do is to go ahead and pin it. For instance, I want to go ahead and pin this post. As you can see, it was the second post, but I want it to appear first. So to pin it, just tap on it to open and then click on these three dots here. And when we click on it, you can see we have the option to pin your main grid. So go ahead and tap on it, and then that is it. Now if we go to our profile, you see now this post is no longer appearing as the second post, but now it appears as the first post. So that's how you pin your posts on your Instagram account. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.